Where is he? Is he in the field?
He's in the field.
Okay, good. Good. Those tines on the back of his machine, I'll open the door if anybody wants to jump out real quick, but better hurry. You're not messing around. And anyway,
No, you're not allowed to. You're too little.
that's how we get the cranberries off the vine into the bed.
So it just like pulls it off the vine?
It just brushes over the tops of the vines, and the folks, can we clear the door there a little bit?
Stay here.
Do they have to grow?
Or you can stay out there. Some people wanted to come out.
I know.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get out of your way.
Okay.
Sit down.
Anyway, there has to be a way to get the cranberries off the vine into the beds. You saw in the video we were using beaters at one time, and now we use what's called a bent tine harrower. And the harrower is on the front and the back of that tractor, and it goes in one side of the bed and will come right out the other. So you don't want to be turning